Hey guys, we're back. Today we have a Bionico. I think it has apple, banana,
Strawberries.
grapes, and strawberries. And then it has like this cream. I don't know what to call it in English.
Lechera.
It's like lechera, and then it has coconut and then almonds and nuts. It looks really good.
Yes, guys. ¿De dónde es? From where?
Antojitos Antonala, here located in Rock Valley next to Dollar General. So yeah, it's been why you should go try it. They have really good food. I mean, it's not really food, it's good snacks.
Mexican snacks.
They have mini pancakes.
Dámela para limpiarla. Yo no te voy a dar de mi cuchara. Like, this is my spoon.
Yo no te dije lo mismo de...
¿De tu qué? Es que ya lo lambí. You did.
The lady kind of only gave us one spoon. So...
Do you want a popote?
Popote for what, homegirl? Popote for what?
Popote.
Popote for what?
For that thing. Dámela para limpiártelo. Let's clean the fork. Clean the fork. It's like the fork from Toy Story. I didn't like that movie at all. Did you? The fork from Toy Story.
No, I thought he was
Trash.
he was a BITCH. I did. No, I said BITCH.
No, you didn't. She's like grosera. Let's try.
Okay, I want to go for like the banana first. And then she put fucking coconut on here.
I love it.
I don't get any of like the little lechita.
Is that your suegro?
Suegra.
Oh.
Estepe suegra.
This is really good, guys. I found it.
No, y es que no puedo agarrar porque...
Sí, se me cabe.
Next we should go to Subway. It's like literally over there.
Con Debbie.
¿Con quién? Oh, yeah. What do we say?
It looks so good. It's good, guys.
I forgot how to spell. Hold up.
Oh, it has almonds, coconut.
I said that, didn't I?
No.
I'm sorry. I'm
She's
just
like obsessed.
I'm nosy. Like I'm just nosy like that. No, es que no me know.
Like so.
There's people at the park. We're here located at the park. I sure enough said where we were. Look, zoom, zoom, zoom. Oh.
Ay, mendiga mosca.
Chill.
Ay, no, las odio.
Chill. I'm gonna throw hands or what?
Sácala. Sácala. ¿Dónde está? ¿Dónde está Play?
I think your truck's broken. Like, is that normal?
No, it was bien good. Es que yo nunca voy ahí, eso no sé. My dad is gonna be mad at you, sweetheart.
Guys, I think I see, just kidding, that's not him.
No, es Ulises.
That's your dad.
Ulises Zúñiga. Oh, that's my dad over there. Oh, he left already. Oh, look at this, guys. My boyfriend gave me this because he loves Spider-Man, and my sister bought this for me, Chucky, and then my boyfriend gave this to me. Oh, se me olvidó preguntarle. Le pregunto. So yeah, I love my boyfriend, guys. And then he gave me this too.
Oh, my boyfriend got me this
And
because
like
he loves me.
my things. And like everything. Like everything. Everything. Platícales. Tell them that you want to get a tattoo.
Like, oh yeah, my boyfriend got me this because he loves me.
She's jealous because she doesn't have a boyfriend. It is what it is, one.
So basically, life lately, yeah, it's adult life. It's a pain. It's a pain in the, Gucci. But yeah, I want to get a tattoo. Here, let me see if I find a picture. But I want to get a tattoo. Something small, not something like big, but I still kind of want to get it. Something like this. Yeah. The problem is I don't know
Where?
because I've seen like some here, or like here, or here, where else, or like here, like in like, oh.
That's so fast.
I swear if it stops at that house, dude,
I think
freak
you
out.
should live here.
Yeah, right? My mom, that's what like my mom told me. She's like, it looked pretty there.
Yes, I agree with your mom.
But like, I first have to like
Can you like eat with me or not?
I don't have a spoon, I have a fork, so I can't get like la lechita.
Es que ya chupé toda de esta. Pero te la presto si quieres. No sé si te das como my saliva.
No,
Entonces agarra la
no
de
más
esta.
like your boyfriends.
I haven't seen my boyfriend since
Monday, yeah, Monday was like 2 days ago, dude.
And like we just hugged. So funny.
I don't think my wants
So
to
yeah,
know.
guys.
I thought it was like, I'm trying to soak it, dude. Should we do more?
I got
Talk about
four.
your tattoos while I get some questions
I
out.
get 4 tattoos. I got this one. I got it when I was 16 or 15. I don't know.
Tengo un delincuente en la
It has a meaning.
habitación.
I won't talk about it because no, like never. And then in May from last year. No. Oh, sí. No me acuerdo. I do not remember. But I have one on my ribs and one on my stomach. And then I got one in the back.
I'm getting some questions out.
On July. But yeah, guys.
They don't like these questions.
No.
Okay. You gotta show me why that, dude.
It's on the floor. It's all good. My
Okay.
banana. I threw my banana.
We're so nosy. Okay. Okay, this might. Well, have you ever pretended to like someone just to get something? This is more of a yes or no question.